Okay? Again, my father, Pablo, was stay over here, the 1010 Rolling Links. And this room was stay my father, and the hangkap my father was 91. The Love's Bakery was Kapaholo. They take over the cat before, the Dina, and the Hicha pretend. And I told you that one, you take over the copy, the Chocomen, the Love's Bakery. My father talking the people, and why you hung up the Arab the time. The son no more memory. That father is a real Arab. Is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. Pablo White, not the billion. Why they hung up the Pablo black here? The black here was talking, was stay over here this room, and they hung up. They get jealous the Pablo, why billionaire twice is Pablo. You traitor to me, police the Kalihi. The video surveillance, where the video surveillance was 91. Over here. This room, they got video surveillance, my father. And my father, I see they bring the church, the Mary, downstairs. Down already. Why? You don't know about why down? Lowe's the Indiana Jones before the actor, the movie. Over here, this area, you don't know about the church Mary? Is a big. This is a pink house before and the white house that down already before. Because the moon was landing long time ago. They carry the ball, the fifax, whatever that ball blow. You don't know about the story because I know the story. Because I was ride the horse, the real Santa Claus from moon, not from North Pole. North Pole right now, no more gift and no more gift this earth. And why? What I done the power before. I'm a real the Santa Lucia Ababa. You don't know about me where I've been. The demon Lucifer always that challenge me. Now I'm danger this Rome that know already that I don't have power because they put me down the Philippines. I will stay Philippines, the no more memory if I out the ball. You don't know the ball, the Firefox? You don't know about Neil Armstrong. You told before that record that Neil Armstrong is go the moon first. Mistake the time landing. That's why die. Nobody get in right there without the ball. Not the rocket that you ride to go the Mars, to go the moon. Now right now you don't know about me. I'm belong Pablo Abraham Lincoln Jr. is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. Pablo Harrison is Pablo Harrison, but Pablo Harrison declaiming Sanchez Ababa stayed at Philippines. Oh, I don't know if they hung up Pablo Harrison, Pablo White, or they bring the cave, the Church of Mary again. I don't know where is Pablo, why this Dina Camacho Ababa pretend is making trouble, always identity theft. And Rosana Jones, I know already you're not real face and you claiming Lucia Ababa. And you call the police and you hurry come back, hang up that pretend Lucia. The immigration, they marked me already, police. Mall, the nose, small, and the check the mall. You cannot deny that one. I take out the immigration already. They know already the billionaire is Lucia. You don't know about me, and you fuck with me, and you kidnap me, you hide me all the time, and tiaro, and you think I don't have money dollar to blow your face. That you are fuck. You traitor my father, my family. You don't know about my father, that my father only trusting only me. Not the white, not the other brother. Doesn't remember memory of what father black hair only. Doesn't remember memory. What's the name? Now right now they got video surveillance was 91 and you think my father the hang up over here is the Arab and the hang up my father and my brother the hang up over here. This is the Rome and especially I was talking the martial art, the brain. This Chinese talking to me the brain, I'm dangerous, this Rome I know already because I got power. I'm not scared. This Marisol Garcia detects the wall, this wall by the window come out, the cat, the green cat, want to kill me because the command detects and they using my password on my laptop that Marisol Garcia pretend. You take your time right there. Want to call me over here, but no the appropriate. You take over my password. And the command and they come over here my house. Especially Rosana June, you very clever woman. You come my house and you dig in the I pay the rent and you collect me. You always bother my house, Rosanna Jones. You always digging and you attack me. I don't call the police the time. You attack me and you stealing my passport and you come my house and they approve you copy my passport. And you claiming Hari Lucia Baba. You're not real face. I know already what you done my passport before the USW. You copy and you give it other people and you gave the people passport blow. You gave it and they gave it you $400. You copy over here, Rosanna Jones. And my exhibit B. We both know already is not approved that file bankruptcy. One time. And why you stealing the exhibit B and you file bankruptcy? And you use that Lucia Ababa identity theft. You bother me that you the one making trouble with me. You get jealous to me. But you don't know about the story about this woman and you're making trouble about me. Now right now, you're making trouble and you want to kill me? No choice. I told you. The police you talking to, I know already the police you talking to. You talking the police and they take the money dollar. For me, I talking the police the truth, but I don't give the money dollar the police. Now all I want over here, the police they cannot solve out the problem, and you know already this area that many cat over here come out the wall because some of you the text want to kill me over here. But I know already who's the people want to kill me. And I know that if you know already that police the Kalihi, that video surveillance, you say that video, the Arab was hung up over here. Why you not doing your job? Why you cannot looking where is the Arab they hung up? That's my father Pablo Sanchez Ababa, the billionaire. You hung up the billionaire. Where is the Pablo White, the claiming Sanchez Ababa? Is the Philippine or the kidnap, they bring the Hawaii too? It's two Pablo, you know. Pablo, 1924 too. One Pablo White, born over here, this area. Pablo Black here, Abraham Lincoln Jr., born the Hanamawi. But moving over here, the blessing Pablo Sanchez Ababa. Pablo Harrison, neighbor the Pablo Black here. The Pablo Harrison white, the house is white. My father Pablo Black here, his house is a pink house. But down already the house. Why down? Down because the using power. The moon was landing over here and nobody remember memory. Why? Well, I cannot tell you why because the story over here is a big story to talk about before. Why you hung up the Arab? The Arab is a business over here. Is my father Pablo is a billionaire. Twice billionaire my father and you hung up my father. And you, Nestor, you beat up good my father Arab, Mister. You bring the church, the Mary, the video surveillance. I know I say your face and Monica. Right now, Monica, stay with me, pretend. You know already, Nestor. You was taekwondo, you was martial art. Before Nestor, Lucia no more power. But Lucia, right now, I got power. And I know already I tracked down the video, the surveillance. Got that video, the Kalihi area. That's the one they got the video surveillance was 91 January or February. That's the one that over here my father was Arab and they hung up. The police decision why you cannot looking where is the time that you know already that my father they hung up the time. Why you not doing your job, you traitor? Why you talking that Monica the time? That Monica was Nestor Salvador. Identity theft. You talking that video surveillance to hang up the Pablo. And why you know, why you traitor your big boss? Means like you not a real face, you a cat then to get in the police pretend. I say that video and you cannot deny it. I know